I would like to pop my head out through the top of the machine, and I would like to use my disintegration pistol at the terrible monstrosity.
Okay, you pull out the disintegrating pistol. You aim the disintegrating pistol. You pull the trigger, and it disintegrates.
You're a bastard. You're a bastard, Tim.
I knew that was going to happen.
He was your favorite. Michael thought he was your favorite.
Oh, wait, the pistol disintegrates,
Yeah,
not the actual.
The pistol disintegrates.
Fucking told you. I told you.
Michael, I think you're his favorite.
Oh god. Oh god, I've been waiting on that for so long.
Sorry, Michael.